Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use voice chat in Roblox. So first you just have to log in to your account. Now to enable voice chat in Roblox you must be 13 plus to use this. So first you have to verify your age. And to do that you must prepare the following age ID verification. So these are the IDs that Roblox accept. So you must prepare one of this. Now, if you have one of this ID, then you can go to your ID verification. So you just have to do this process. Okay, prepare ID, use a smartphone, and then go and scan this QR code. Then once you're done with verifying your age, then you can go back to your settings, go to privacy, scroll down and enable this voice chat. So once you enable this one, what you want to do next is to go to your Roblox and select that specific experience or game. Let's just say this one. Now, to use this voice chat in Roblox, you have to make sure that your microphone is not mute. Okay, so you can go to settings to check. And as you can see, it's now functioning well. Then you can start talking. And that's how easy it is to use voice chat in Roblox. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.